travel during the December 2019 industrial action, you could be eligible. Extended this meeting.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Micheldever on the South Western Main Line. You're probably thinking, boom, it's Micheldever, but I say it's Micheldever. If you think it's Micheldever, if you agree with me, then woohoo, well done. And today we'll be seeing services from South Western Railway, CrossCountry and some freight. And the date today is Friday 18th of September 2020 and the time is 5:20 in the evening. And we have this kind of like, I don't know, was this some kind of freight yard back in the day that's been abandoned? Or something like that, I don't know, but I mean, you've got a few graffitied freight what's-its there. Up the line is London Waterloo, down the line is Shawford, and then ultimately Portsmouth Harbour, Southampton Central, Bournemouth, Poole or Weymouth. Let's see what we'll get.
Two doesn't stop here. Please stand back from the edge of the platform. The train now approaches platform 1.
Will be affected. Journey times will be increased as trains are diverted by Guildford, Havant and Firth. Amusement buses can be used for intermediate stations.
calling at Winchester, Shawford, Eastleigh, Hedge End, Botley, Fareham, Porchester, Cosham, Hilsea, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. This train has 10 carriages. Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Shawford, you will need to travel in the front 3 carriages of the train. If you are travelling to Hedge End or Hilsea, you will need to travel in the front 6 carriages of the train. If you are travelling to Botley or Porchester, you will need to travel in the front 5 carriages of the train. If you are travelling to Fareham, Cosham or Fratton, you will need to travel in the front 7 carriages of the train.
So that sums this video up nicely. I'm going to catch my train back to Basingstoke and then back to Winchfield. Thank you very much for watching, everyone, and remember to stay alert.
Saturday the 19th and Sunday the 20th of September. The Twickenham, Woking, Basingstoke, Andover and Ashfield Ascot areas will be...
Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.